Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to mirror the screen of your Android smartphone to your Xiaomi A Pro TV. So in order to do this, we're gonna have to make sure that both the TV and the smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So on your TV, go to Quick Settings, check your Wi-Fi, and see which network you are connected to. And then make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network on your smartphone. Okay, and if it's the same, then on your smartphone, you're gonna have to swipe down the control center, and after that, you have to find the cast feature. And if you don't have it here, tap the pencil icon and find the cast feature in connectivity tiles to edit. Then you're gonna have to select it. Then find your TV on the list. Tap next. Then you can either choose an app, or you can cast the entire screen. Let me re-enter this menu. So we can either cast one app or the entire screen. If you select one app and tap next, you're gonna have to select an app that you want to cast. Otherwise, in order to cast the entire screen, we just need to tap Start Screencast, and the screencast will begin immediately. Now, if you want to stop screencasting, you have to scroll down the quick settings once again, and then select cast, disconnect, and screen mirroring will stop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.